Hi, my name is Claudia and I'm a tour guide specialized in Art Nouveau tours. The building I want to show you is the Műteremház, which means studio house. It's a house built for artists, for them to live and work. We are at the beginning of the 20th century in 1903, and Budapest was living a very special moment in its history. It was the new upcoming city within the Austro-Hungarian Empire, and there was a sort of competition among Budapest and Vienna at that time. Budapest was trying to emerge, and this is why they built very big buildings, for example the parliament, amazing squares, and also tried to make the best of their art and culture. At that time in Budapest were living some of the finest artists in the modern Hungarian art history. The problem was that Budapest was a little bit too vibrant, and artists used to work from coffee houses. In coffee houses they were rarely drinking coffee, and most of all they were finding nice women and enjoying their time there. This is why the city decided to invest into a house for them to live and to work. The house was supposed to be in the 6th district, but after a while they decided to make it here in the 11th, which is in the Buda side, and it's a little bit removed from the buzz of the city center. Also, it's a little uphill, which grants to the house better light. The architect Gyula Kosztolányi-Kann was also an artist himself, a painter. And maybe this is why he could design such a perfect building for artists to paint and make sculptures. The building has huge windows exposed to north and enjoys a lot of light during the day. When it was inaugurated, the building had 19 among apartments and studios. Still nowadays there are artists living here. Some of them are the descendants of the famous artists who used to live here in the 20th century. If you have the chance to take a look inside the building, which during a tour can happen, you can see the plaques with the names of the artists who used to live here. I think it's a fun game to look them up on the internet, or even better in an Hungarian museum, and to have this look at Hungarian art of the time. I love this building because it's an amazing example of Hungarian Art Nouveau, because I think it's unique in Europe to have a studio house like this for artists. I love it because of its history. I love it because it's Art Nouveau creating new art. And most of all, I love it because it's blue. The treat of this daily walk, it's unicum. Unicum, it's a Hungarian bitter made of 40 different herbs. Unicum has a special story too. It was invented in 1790 by the royal physician of the imperial court, Dr. Zwack. Dr. Zwack gave this remedy to the emperor of the time, Joseph II, as a remedy to indigestion. Apparently, according to the legend, the comment of the emperor was, "Das ist ein Unicum." This is unique. And I love it.